Alright, here we are in my shop. We're doing a truck makeover. We're going to put a Cargoglide bed drawer so I can get at all the stuff deep inside my bed. We're going to put on some MILESTAR tires, the really cool ones, Patagonia style, and iron cross bumpers so I can handle anything, anywhere. This is the Pimp My Truck. It's a new show that we just developed called Pimp My Truck, and it's about pimping my truck. It's one episode. So this is the Cargoglide 1000 XL, which means it carries 1,000 pounds fully extended. That's bread. I was always impressed with the movie Woodstock, the filming of the concert. I was always impressed with the filming of the concert Woodstock because you never ever see the other cameraman. There's 400 shots of Carlos Santana playing the guitar, but you never see the other cameraman. They never overlap, which was amazing, which was obviously so disciplined back then because that's how those guys learn. Now no one gives a shit.
Yeah. Are you going to read the instructions?
No. This is a razor blade I'm developing as a concept, kind of functioning art that I'm trying to sell through my website. Free firewood. Wow, so this is the back.
Yeah. And
these sides are in place. Come in. Alright, spin out. Is all camera rolling?
Yeah.
This is the dirty part of the Cargoglide installation. Oh. Holy shit. I like it. I like it a lot.
What do we have that's 1,000 pounds that you can put on here?
Who's the asshole now? That's what my brother used to say. Who's the asshole now? It doesn't mean a thing.
I got plenty of space.
Is it, how much space you have outside of the 3/4 of an inch? That's what she said last night. What? Just take it out far enough to get at that last set of holes. You know what I'm saying, right? Wow, that works really well. Thank you, Cargoglide. This is a great tool. This is exactly what you would use on drywall. But this is an amazing tool for sheet metal. I never saw one before. Could you go get me the left-handed? Go get me the left-handed one.
What does that mean?
There's a left-handed one that's in the toolbox.
In which toolbox?
That's what you do to the newbie. You send them to go get left-handed monkey wrenches. Did you find it? On the drawer. The funny thing about adjustable wrenches is, like, right now it's adjusted to where I want it. I'll put it down and I'll pick it up about 3 minutes later. It'll be like this. These are the removal stoppers. Those never allow this center frame to come completely out, but I just lifted them up and it gave me full clearance at all the nuts and bolts here.
Wait, is that what you were telling us earlier with the, like,
To take this part.
you could take this off in 2 pieces?
Yes.
Why would you listen to the guy that works for the company?
Yeah, you guys should write an instruction manual for this thing.
You throw the instructions away from the product you get sent.
Did you find that left-handed wrench yet?
I will murder you in your sleep. Science.
Alright, ready to install this thing?
Let's go. Oh, and it locks.
I recommended like car surfing on this if I just wanted to drive down the road.
I like these. These are cool. I like how they're quickly adjustable because the truck companies never really I don't think the truck companies have anybody that's ever strapped something in the truck designing a truck.
Honestly, if we would have had this during the blacksmithing course, we would have loaded 4 anvils on this and been done with it. This would have just been like, boom, done.
You know who invented Pimp My Ride?
No.
Guess who invented Pimp My Ride?
Who?
You talking to him.
Is that your show?
It could have been if I paid attention to what I was doing.
Someone steal your idea?
We put out an episode of a TV show 15 months before Pimp My Ride where me and Don the Magic Wand pimped the guy's car. And all we kept saying was, we're going to pimp this guy's car, we're going to pimp his ride, we're going to pimp his car. Then Pimp My Ride came out about a year later. True. The biggest problem with working on production vehicles is that they're not meant to come apart. This harness, I just want to, like, I'm trying to take it apart without breaking it.
Well, in the video, the guy did it with one finger.
Yeah, well, get him over here. All right. Man, that wasn't so easy the way that bumper came off.
Oh, yeah. This is amazing.
Alright.
All right, the wires are connected. Looks like a glove. Did I tell you about my new concept called Steal My Show?
No, tell me about it.
It's a show where every week I come up with an extremely cool original idea, and then 6 months later another network does it.
Pops on TV all by itself?
Yep.
Ah.
And you know how much I get paid?
How much?
Nothing.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that. I'm going to paint it black.
Why is it not doing it?
Because you live in New York City, everybody parks by Braille. It's annoying, isn't it? Wow, this thing's like made like a tin can. What I really need is an iron cross bumper.
How cold is this coffee? Yum.
That really looks good.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks good. That's it. Put the lights in and I think we're good.
Watch this. Pull it all the way out, pull it all the way out.